Yo, what's going on, YouTube? It feels great to be back. Quick update. The past 6 months or so, I was finishing up my last semester at university. I just graduated. I got my degree in computer science, and I secured a job as a software engineer. I start in about a month, so that's why I haven't been uploading. I really just wanted to focus on that. I still have been trading. I just haven't had time to upload videos, but I'm back now. I have a really cool video for you guys. I recorded myself trading GJ live during the London session, and you're going to see the trade from start to finish, why I took the trade. You're going to see me entering, exiting, all that good stuff. It is recorded on my phone, though. In the future, I'm going to record these live trades on my computer so you can see my face, and it'll just be a better video overall. I was able to make $440 in about an hour. So for some of you guys, you might see that the risk-to-reward ratio is negative. However, I want to just mention that I set my stop loss with plans to close half before even reaching that stop loss. So the actual risk to reward was positive. I just didn't get to show you guys how I manage risk because the trade went my way. Last thing quickly, I want to say thank you guys for all the support. You guys have been blowing up my DMs even after I haven't uploaded in so long. And I try to get back to most of you, but I can't get back to all of you. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for that. So without further ado, let's just get this video started. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Yo, alright, so I really like the setup here on GJ. We've just broken this support here. We're coming down on the 15-minute. You have this nice little pattern. This big ass candle broke support. We came back up, retested, and then closed again right here. And I'm going to enter a sell. Okay. 1 hour is making a top wick. I'm going to enter the break of the low. Shit. Fuck, I accidentally entered. Okay, this is fine. It just needs to make a top wick. It's only the first minute of the candle. I entered a bit early. I was supposed to put a sell stop, but it's fine. I'll add more once the low breaks. So, then my stop loss should be 460. Alright, I'm about to enter. Alright, I'm in again. Oh, shit. Full margin. So it's going to be yep, perfect. Stop loss should be 460. Alright, I'm going to come back when something actually happens, because nothing's really happening. Alright, what is good, guys? It's been about, well, I don't know, 40 minutes, but it's 3 a.m. It's about to be London Open, and look at this, man. Just straight tanking. Holy shit. Just gonna let it do its thing. I think London Open is gonna go like a lot lower, so we'll just hold. I'm gonna put my stops to break even though. Alright, so look at that. Holy shit, man. Let me remove this. Hurry. Gonna let this ride, baby. Close this one. Holy shit, man. You guys saw this live. You saw this live. Saw me take the trade, everything. I'm probably gonna just keep it going. Alright, I'm gonna close this one. I forgot, I wanted to see how much I made. Alright, I'm gonna close this one as well. 10 pips is fine. Oh no. Let me close it. It's playing with me, man. Alright. You guys saw it live. 440 bucks in less than an hour. I took the trade live. I showed you why I took the trade. Yeah. Super, super easy.